Russian bad number 1 8.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Simply Hausa.
I'm Jamila.
And I'm Amina. Yo, I like your Africa necklace. It's really cute. You didn't want to put it on this side?
No, because
it does look better on this. That's nice, but like, you know,
it's
for the outfit I like.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, you can switch it up if you want this way or this way.
Okay.
So today we're going to do another sister tag. In our previous video we had not really introduced our siblings, but you guys had seen them
on our travel.
We wanted to like introduce them one by one. So today we're introducing.
Drum roll. Come on. I have to.
Hey.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, I feel so squished by these giants over here.
Excuse me. Hello, everybody.
Oh, okay. So, what is your name?
I'm Sakina.
Yeah. And you are what in our sibling line?
She's the
second. No, second youngest. That's what I said.
Oh,
Second youngest. Oh, I was like, wait, what?
second youngest.
Fourth.
There's
You're
5
the-
of us.
So you're the fourth.
You know, this is like insulting
Zagi.
people in Hausa.
Yes.
Zagi. Oh,
Zagi.
see, we haven't really said much Hausa. Okay, this is
Zagi
an insult, and I'm not insulting anybody, but yeah, it's basically like the middle finger in. Oh.
I was just showing them an example.
To me. Wait,
I didn't want to say it to the camera.
Okay. Wow.
Stop.
Oh, okay. Wait, what were the questions that we were gonna
I'll pull it up.
ask her to get to know her?
Okay, so do you think we got along, sibling, as
Like when we were younger.
children? Yeah.
I don't think so. Well, okay, we did like play with each other and whatever, but like we get angry at each other sometimes, like a lot. So, you know.
What did you get
we gotta
angry at the
sweep
most?
the floor, and then I'll be mad, and then
What is she like, Cinderella? Like what?
literally, I felt like that with you two. You'd be like, do this, do that, but I feel like you were, I don't know, you felt like you were like a second mother. Not really like that, but I feel like older siblings feel like that, so then they're like, do this, do that, do this. But
You
then
think
you'd be the same too. So I don't know.
You don't know who was.
Who's the most? It'll be the same.
I feel like I got along, yeah, with all of you.
Yeah, I mean, we
You were
do silly
just such
things.
like an older sibling. Like we were. How many years apart were we? We were.
I'm like 5 years older than
Yeah, but I always thought you were
and
so
9
cool.
years older.
Like literally, like you'd be like have your friends over, and I'd be sitting in the room, and you'd be like, "Get out!" and your mind would be like, "No, but like we want to listen to your conversation."
What?
And you just could get out, like yeah, and then there'd be like those songs on your laptop. Remember that?
Oh yeah, oh remember he used to do videos?
Yep.
Oh my god, those are so funny. Oh my gosh, I still have those. Okay. I think we talked about age gap, right? So I'm 5 years older than you and 9 years older than you.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't even like think about that. That
We're
much.
3 years apart, so like,
We're just honestly
I'm
so
like-
close.
Then, does that mean I'm 8 years older than her then? 9?
Wait.
I don't know where I got 9 from. No. Aren't you guys 4 years apart?
no,
Oh,
3.
just 3. Okay.
Oh yeah. 4 grade levels.
Cause I'm turning.
So, me zamu ci kuma next.
What is your
question.
favorite thing about
About what?
your sibling?
Okay. Well, about you guys or just anybody?
We're the ones that
Okay,
are
you're
here.
right.
Oh, anybody?
No.
Whatever. Favorite thing? I mean, I feel like I like how we all get along, you know? We can talk to each other about stuff and relate to each other. Come to them for advice. So, yeah.
Come to both of them.
Yes. Oh, you thought you were
What
the only one.
shade? I don't understand what that was. Look, we have deep conversations, me and Sakina.
Yeah,
What do you
we
mean?
get
I have
real
deep
deep. Yeah, I have deep
conversations.
conversations.
What was
Both.
that?
Anyway.
Then you don't need to.
Kinajin Hausa?
And that too.
So say?
How's it Tony?
You're disrespecting.
Disrespecting. I beg.
To ki faɗa mana wani abu da Hausa, ki faɗa mana a cikin mu yayyanki da kanwarki guda ɗaya. Wa kika fi so?
A'a, ba zan yi haka ba. Dukan ku na.
Oh, kina son mu duka? Okay.
Ina so in yi zaɓa.
Ba kya so ki zaɓa.
Ba ya so ki zaɓa.
Ku na ku.
Oh, ni?
Ni nawa?
Ni ce.
Kena ki wani.
A'a, ki faɗa mana ke za ki faɗa.
Kena ki faɗa, ki fi kika girme mu kin gane.
Ni ma dai gaskiya ina son ku duka gaskiya. Amma ƙarama kanwan mu gaskiya kun san ita ce ƙarama. Wataran ya zan ce muku dai. Wataran bata da kunya amma duk da haka dai ina son ta. Kuma tana me reminding da Hausa.
Tana
min kama da yanda nake lokacin da nake shekarunta. Gani?
A kike?
I thought Miki like coolness. I hope you care about that. Like,
no, ke na ce kin fi ni coolness like inda ni lokacin da wannan take yanzu tana high school lokacin da nake shekarunta I wasn't even cool in the gane but like so I would have liked to be her friend if we were in the same level like oh Sakina you're so cool girl like you know all the kind of music she listens to like she's so cool to me. Okay. Okay. Do you guys fight?
Eh muna faɗa yanzu mu yi. Gashi nan bani number 1 eh. No. I ba ma faɗa sosai. Like it will be like we don't fight that much. I think like maybe little arguments, but it doesn't do anything. Like it doesn't last or like just get annoyed, but not really mad at each other. At least that's what
Yeah. I used to fight with our brother a lot, like boom.
Yeah, that's me and Mariam.
When you're
but
closer,
I used to not have anybody, you know.
Yeah,
she's the
let's
middle.
talk about the middle child. Yeah.
Right. So I didn't fight with anybody. I was always the mediator against them two and them two.
Yeah.
But you still
Was I mean?
a little bit when we were younger.
I remember this one time when you and Mariam had this big fight, right? And then you like went crazy on her.
Stop.
And I was like, I never saw you like this. So I was like, and then you started like shouting at me. And then I was like, you need to go to a mental hospital. I'm gonna call the mental hospital. And I went to the phone and everything. I was
the fact that you said that made me more mad. Like, you don't understand. That made me more mad. I was like, she thinks I'm mental. She needs to go. That like, oh my god.
I went to the phone and everything. I'm like, yeah,
no, you were instigating the thing. That's the thing. You got me more mad.
Wait, I've never heard this story. This is so funny.
Because I used to think you were crazy.
Oh, were you scared of me? No, you weren't scared of me. Okay, then I'm not mental. Then I wasn't.
Yeah, I have to be scared of you for you to be mental.
Well, I mean, if I was like, if you want to call somebody, yeah, probably.
Wait, I think she was joking.
No.
Right? Were you joking? Oh, wait.
See, you had your twisted little.
Shut up. You were just acting so crazy, and I was like, I can't deal with this. I don't know what to do.
I don't get that mad anymore.
Because I've always left with you guys, and I don't know how to handle you guys, so that was the way to handle you guys.
Okay, how are things different here than they were like in Nigeria? You know, in terms of like your guys' relationship, were you guys closer in Nigeria or here? I guess for all of us too. I think we grew with age, obviously, you know, so we're in different stages. I feel closer to both of you guys now that we're a little bit older.
Yeah.
When we were younger. Yeah, like you guys say, oh, I was like the cool big sister that kicked you guys out. Oh.
I still.
Okay.
She doesn't.
You were just she thinks it though.
She was.
She thinks
I feel like You guys didn't really get along.
We did not.
We
get
didn't,
along.
and we had the
did
same
not.
room, and we just like didn't talk to each other. It's so
we
weird.
didn't at all. Like, oh my god. Even
But we didn't fight. But we just were like, oh, whatever.
we're just so different from each other. We just never clicked.
Yeah, but
It
we
was
clicked
just
on our
never-
channel. Oh my god. We made this video or YouTube thing. Okay.
Who's most likely to snitch?
I gotta think about this. I feel like, yeah, Mina. Well, actually, I don't feel like any of us would. Like, okay, like, snitch, like, oh, if, like, one of you got...
Like, oh, did something bad and then like got us in trouble, like, oh, with parents or with whatever. You know, okay, I remember when we were little, right? Me and Khalifa used to like sit on these cabinets, right? And the cabinets would break because it's just too whatever. And we would like literally push it back, keep it, and then like let's say the next one goes on it and it like happens to like fall over. We're like, you broke it, you broke it. Like, you know, we would do stuff like that. Or like, oh my gosh, I remember we would always put our spoon into like the Milo.
Yeah.
I did not even
Like, or like, you know, if there was a baby in the house, like the baby food or whatever.
baby food. Baby food.
Yeah, baby food tastes
Why
good.
are you
saying
That
that's so
is
nasty?
saying. Do y'all do it? Do you guys do it?
That's weird. No, I feel like me and Mariam would snitch each other out. Like, I feel like
Mine would snitch you out.
and I would snitch her out too.
Okay.
We just always fought a lot before, but now we're good.
Okay. So, yanzu mun gode da kuka zo channel ɗinmu kuka ga 'yar ƙanwarmu.
Sunana
Wannan ce
Sakina.
ƙanwarmu sunanta Sakina. Ita ce, ba ita ce 'yar auta ba.
Za mu na muku yara wuta. Later.
Sami nata.
Ita ma ɗin. Gata nan dai.
Hi. We love
Tana jin
you.
Hausa ita ma. Dukanmu muna jin Hausa. But yeah, thank you.
Keep the
Gode.
love.
Sai
The
anjima.
love. Sai anjima, and ku gaya mana me kuke so ku ji daga
Comments.
videos ɗinmu. Tell us what you want to hear. We only spoke a little bit of Hausa here, but you know, whatever.
We'll do a whole video.
Every time with my hands,
Gotta
like
live it. Gotta do it bilingual. Huh?